Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. I am Gowthami. How are you people? Let me know in the comments. Now, without wasting any time, let us just get into the video. In today's video, we are going to learn 50 expressions of politeness that will be very useful to you in a conversation. So, I'm sure that you are familiar with most of the expressions, but if you come across of any expression that you don't know, please make a note of it and try to practice them. The first expression is please. Okay? Please. Please. Can you pass me the salt? Please. Can you give me your pen? Please. Can I borrow your book? Okay? Please. Can you click the like button? Just kidding. The second expression is thank you. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. Whenever someone is helping you or someone has did something that brought a smile upon your face, make sure that you are telling them thank you. Third expression is you're welcome. You're welcome. If someone says thank you to you, then you can simply say you're welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. You can use this phrase when someone is standing in front of you and you need to move ahead of them. Excuse me. Can you move aside? I need to go. Okay? And the other way that you can use this phrase is that when you are in a conversation and you need to interrupt in the middle, then you can say, excuse me, can I add a point to it? Excuse me, I have some points to add. Excuse me, I have something to say regarding this. Okay? In these two contexts, you can use this phrase, excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you have done something wrong or inside if you feel that you have done something wrong, then please be free to say I'm sorry. There is nothing wrong if you say sorry. Okay? Saying sorry is sometimes better than putting that guilt and feeling the heaviness of it. Right? So please be free to say sorry when you have done something wrong. And make sure that you are not using I am sorry too often. You can also use pardon me. Pardon me. Okay? This is an advanced phrase for I am sorry. May I? May I? May I come to your home? May I join you in the party? May I go there? In this way, you can use may I. May I come inside? Children will ask the teacher, may I come inside? Right? May I. The next expression is could you please? Could you please bring me a cup of tea? Could you please join me tomorrow? Could you please come tomorrow? Right now I am busy. Could you please meet me tomorrow? Would you mind? Would you mind? Would you mind watching my videos regularly? Would you mind dropping me near the bus stop? Would you mind to pick up me tomorrow? Can you help me please? Okay? Before this phrase, I wanted to tell you something. There are a lot of people who don't want to ask help to others, right? Don't be like that. Don't be an introvert. An introvert will make you lose a number of chances. If you are in need of any help, please open up and don't feel shame to ask help. Okay? Could you help me please? Could you help me please to grow my channel? If yes, then comment below. I appreciate it. If you have commented and if you have shared this video, I appreciate it. If you like my videos, I would appreciate it. If you correct my mistakes also, I would appreciate it. Okay, in this way, if someone has done something useful, then you can simply use this phrase, I appreciate it. I apologize. I apologize. It is also a phrase that you can use in place of I am sorry. After you can simply use this to say someone that you are following them. Okay, either physically or verbally. If someone is telling something and they have stopped suddenly and asked you, have you understood? Then you can simply say after you. Yes, I am after you. And not only that, if you are following someone physically, then if they ask where are you, then you can say that you are behind them. after you. The next phrase is no problem. No problem. Okay, it means that it is not going to damage a lot. Okay, for example, you haven't liked my video? No problem. Nothing worse is going to happen, right? If someone suddenly broke a glass, then you can simply say, no problem, don't worry. You slipped the glass, that's it, no problem. That's kind of you. If someone had done a good favor to you, then you can simply say that that's kind of you. That's very good of you, right? That's kind of you. You have subscribed to my channel right now? That's kind of you. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure. Okay? I am able to teach English to you people and you are absolutely liking it. Right? It was my pleasure. Please go ahead. You have a lot of questions to ask me. Please go ahead and put them in the comment section. Please go ahead. Allow me to. Allow me to. Allow me to go to the shop. Allow me to make some more videos. Allow me to help you more. Allow me to speak English. Allow me to think in a broad perspective. Allow me to, with your permission. If you want to do anything or if you want to do any task, after taking the permission of someone, then you can use this simple phrase. With your permission. With your permission, I want to make a video. With your permission, I want to shoot a video. With your permission, I want to go to the shopping mall. With your permission, I want to spend my penny. With your permission, I want to join in an institute. If you don't mind, please make sure that you are watching each and every video. If you don't mind, please practice daily. If you don't mind, try to speak out loudly. If you don't mind, please click the like button. I beg your pardon. Pardon me was a phrase, right? In the same way, I beg your pardon is also a phrase to apologize someone. I beg your pardon. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. If you are able to understand my classes and you are liking my videos, then I'm grateful. I owe you one. I owe you one. It is a very good phrase that you can use to tell someone who have helped you before that you are going to help them in return. Okay, if someone helped me, then I need to help them, right? So I owe you one. I need to help you some other time because you have helped me. I am deeply thankful. I am deeply thankful. It means that you are telling thank you to them from the depths of your heart. I am deeply thankful. How thoughtful of you. How thoughtful of you. If someone has told something that it might rain, let us take an umbrella. Then you can simply say, how thoughtful of you. If someone say that let us pack our lunch in the home itself, we may not find any restaurants near that place, then you can say, how thoughtful of you. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. It is another phrase of saying thank you. Thanks a million. Is it true? Is it true? If you have heard something and you are not sure of it, you can simply say, is it true? I am truly grateful. Like in the previous phrase, I told I am grateful, right? In the same way, you can use I am truly grateful. I am indebted to you. I am indebted to you. It means that I am in debt to you. It may not be in financial matters, but you can use this phrase in place of I owe you one. Okay, like you have used the phrase I owe you one. In the same way, you can use I am indebted to you. If you could, please. If you could, please. If you could, please make a cup of coffee for me. If you could, please bring me a headache tablet. If you could, please go to the grocery shop. If it's not too much trouble, please wash these clothes. If it's not too much trouble, drop my children to the school. If it's not too much trouble, going to pay the electricity bill. It's so nice of you. It's so nice of you. If someone has done something good to you, then you can say, it's so nice of you. Have you clicked the like button? It's so nice of you. You are very genuine. You are very genuine. If you find someone that they are not bluffing you, not fake to you, and they are very kind and they are telling each and everything truth, then you can say them, you are genuine. You are a genuine person. You are very humble. You are very humble. If you find a person very sweet, very quiet, and they are very kind to you, then you can say you are very humble. I'm really thank you for your help. I'm really thank you for your help. In a business or in a meeting, if someone have helped you a lot, then you can simply say, I am very thankful for your help. Or you can also use the phrase, I am so grateful for your assistance. I am so grateful for your assistance. Or you can also say, I couldn't have managed without you. I couldn't have managed without you. If someone have understood you, whatever you are saying, they are able to think from your perspective and they are able to put their legs into your shoes, and you can say, thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Or you can also say, I am thankful for your support. I am thankful for your support. You can also use this phrase, thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding. I put a lot of effort into making these videos. Thanks for your understanding and sharing it to as many people as possible. That's incredibly helpful. That's incredibly helpful. Each and every comment, each and every like, each and every share is incredibly helpful to grow my channel. That's incredibly helpful. I can also use this phrase, I'm so fortunate to have your support. I'm so fortunate to have your support. If you find someone so kind and you have no words to tell them, then you can say, I am touched by your kindness. I am touched by your kindness. If someone has done a very great help that you can't even think of how you can repay them, then you can say, how can I ever repay you? How can I ever repay you? I can simply say this phrase to my parents, how can I ever repay you? You are a lifesaver. If someone has helped you in the last minute of something, then you can simply say them, you are a lifesaver. You have saved me with the biggest issue. You are a lifesaver. Or you can also say, you have been a great help. You have been a great help. If someone is very patient, then you can simply say them, thank you for your patience. I appreciate your patience. I am indebted to you for your kindness and patience. I am indebted to you for your kindness and patience. That's it. These are the 50 common English phrases of politeness that you can use in different situations. Make sure that you are learning the new phrases that you don't know, and if you like them, you can replace them also. It's up to you. Okay? So meet you soon in the next video. Thank you for joining me till the end. See you soon.